Hey guys, this is Retro Gaming, and this is my computer. Uh, if you remember, there a while ago, I had a computer that, well, sort of a computer that that could create letters and stuff. This is basically just an upgraded version of that. It does create letters and also every single character, or most characters that is in the ASCII code. If you don't know what the ASCII code is, it's basically a code that takes every character and gives it a number or a value. So the first 31 characters are unavailable because well, they are things like null and um, escape, like non-character things. The and isn't available because of the limitations of the screen. And just use plus instead of and. Um, so, and then this is sort of basically just showing you about the computer. So, first, I'll show you basically how it works, what it looks like. So try let's try A. So A in the ASCII code, if you don't know, is 65. And 65 in binary is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Like that. And then I'll just finish character. And it takes a little while. There. A. Yeah. So that's A. It works with every character. Let's do, for example, we'll reset that. I'll do, let's do exclamation mark. So that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And that is 33, which is the ASCII equivalent for exclamation. So finish character, and there. So the reason that that is diagonal is because there's no dot that I had with the segment display. This is a limited display. I'll show you one sec. I've reprogrammed 1 to be, just wait for that to go away. I've reprogrammed just 1, and then we'll finish character, to be every single segment so that you can kind of see how it looks. So that is the 16 segment display. It's got sort of an X in the middle, and then it has 12 line segments. So that's how it works, which is why there's this. If it were this, it would just be a line, like a 1 or an L or something. So I'll reset that. And that should go away. Okay. And so basically how it works is it comes into here, into this big mess. Basically, this is a counter, and the 1 and 0 go into the counter so that it will count, so that this display won't just go 1. It won't just go 1, 0, 1, 0 in this 1. It'll go along every time you do it. And then from there, it goes into here, which determines whether it's a 1 or a 0. And it comes up here, which goes into here, and also comes around here into the decoder. And the decoder, it takes the binary value, 7 input binary value, and turns it into 127 different characters. So that's how many characters there are. And yeah, so this is just to remember which segment each of these lines are. And each of these lines come down here, along here, down here, and this, once a letter's been done, this will come down so that you can't place a letter over top of that letter. So that'll come down into this, over here, into a memory cell so that it doesn't just flash on and then go back off. Come up here into each segment, and then the reset function goes into here as well. And yeah. Okay, my mouse is being weird. 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that, but that's just one of the disadvantages about having a wireless mouse, is that it runs on batteries. So, now that I've got new batteries, should last a lot longer. And so, where was I? So the reset function, basically, it just will reset it, and for it to reset that, it also needs to have it needs for the where does this go? It needs the wait, for that to happen, it needs for this to be on 1, which means that there's no input. There's no, if I were to press finish character, nothing would come up. It's a value of 0. So then it comes around here, and then when you press reset, then this AND gate will turn this on, go into here, and there. So I think it's pretty cool. Let's try out a different character. Let's do the letter E. So I'll just, 1 second, I just gotta 1 second. Alright, I just had to figure out what the binary thing was. So it's 1, 0, 1, and then 0, 0, oh, whoops, 0, 1, there, and then finish character, and E should come up. Oh, well, that shouldn't have happened. Why did that happen? 1 sec. I just have to, this is, that's the first time I've seen that, but I'll be right back with an answer. So, alright, so I just did that. For some reason I didn't put in that segment, a torch for that segment, which is why that didn't come on. So if we do finish character, then that should come on there, like that. So E. That looks pretty good. And yeah. So now, well, yeah, that's the computer. It's pretty big. It's not the biggest. It is tileable, so you can make it multiple long. The reason I didn't, I was going to, but as you can see, this is really wide. It would take up a lot of space. In between, it would be like over here, so it would just be too far apart to create it to have more. I could make it so that it is it is more compact, but I don't know, I just wasn't thinking. So yeah, it's a pretty cool computer. It's the biggest one, the biggest functioning one that I've made yet. And right now I'm just working on, in another world, I'm working on how to create a memory cell so I can flash letters on multiple times so that it'll go like A, B, C, D, and you get it. So yeah, I'll keep working on that, see if I can expand on it. But right now I think that's about it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.